Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mac, and we are working on the Camaro today. I got something really cool in the mail I wanted to share with you guys. It's in a small little box. And if you guys want to stop the video right now and write down in the chat what you think it is, that'd be kind of cool to see if you guessed it right. But today we're going to be an open the box and an install in the Camaro. So stay tuned. All right, let's see what we got here. I kind of ripped off all the stuff showing my address just to make sure, keep some privacy here. Okay, and the person that sent it to me. So I don't think these are mainstream yet. One of my buddies actually got a pair for his car, and I got to see him, and I just fell in love with them because the stock ones for our cars are not the greatest. So let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, really nice packaging. Any guesses yet? Really nice door handles. These actually sit really flush with your car. I'm super stoked about them. God, these are really nicely made. Let's compare these with the other ones. If you notice how far out they stick, this little groove right here, these are real chatty. These sit really firm in there and they're flush. So you'll kind of get a look at them after. If you are interested in getting a pair of these, put them in the chat and I'll reach out to the guy that made these and see how we can go from there. Oh, those are so nice. You can either get them powder coated or not. I chose to get mine powder coated for the look on my car. And if I have to get them painted later on, it's fine. I'm pretty excited. All right. So, first things first, we need to take the door cards off. Oh, well, yeah, no door cards. That's like half the work, I think. And I'm gonna have to roll up the window. So we'll go ahead and get started on this and get this rolling. Before getting started on the door handles, I want to let you know how awesome it is working with, I'm going to call him James. So James, thank you very much for these door handles. I did purchase them from James. They're a great addition to the car, but he sent me some really nice instructions or color and everything. So just kind of share with you what I got here. It goes through all the instructions and setting it up, and also gives you a reason why he created them. They're stainless steel. Let's see what he says here. Made from 100% 304 and 316 stainless steel. So for durability and corrosion resistance. They are so nice. Anyway, I'm going to be reviewing this very nicely laid out instructional and get them installed. All right, let's start that process. Should only take a few minutes, honestly. Yeah. All right. Just a quick outside view of it on the outside. Kind of get a nice little side shot. Oh man, I really do enjoy these head and handles. Now I figure out my lock situation, kind of sits out further than the handle does. All right, I am so happy with this install. It's such a big improvement. Obviously the handles aren't painted or anything. They have a powder coat matte black on them. But I mean, going from this big old clunky rattled box of a handle to this, it is so crisp. Just, I really like it. They're absolutely perfect. So, if you'd like to get a pair of these, information's down in the description. By far, I haven't seen anybody else that make anything close to as nice as this. Really sturdy, heavy part, quality, no flimsiness, no bending when you're opening it. It's solid. But, yes. I mean, obviously, this car needs a paint job. I mean, but nicest part on the car is this dang handle right now. Anyway, I have tons more to do on this car. I'm going to be doing the plastics here soon. But please stay tuned. I noticed that like 80% of the people that watch these videos aren't subscribed. Consider subscribing. Love to have you on the family here. So please continue to watch the rest of this build, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Have a good one. Bye.